Stop, Maui, stop. %10. Kylie, may love shout out, lalabs. Why you too early? Kylie lalabs, how are you? How are you, lalabs, Kylie? How are you, lalabs? I am good, alhamdulillah. I don't know. Why you don't know? Kylie, may love shout out, lalabs. We're friends. Yes, thank you. I just like hanging out with you. Ayan, thank you, Kylie. Thank you, lalabs. Thank you so much. How is your day going? Same, Kylie, only sleeping. I don't have work, lalabs. Nothing to do. Eating, sleeping. Only hold you. Nice. Ayan. Thank you, Kylie. Thank you, lalabs. You're welcome, host. Ayan. No other viewers, only you. Where's the other? Nothing. Where are you, mga lalabs? Maybe they're getting ready for bed or something. Hold on. Maybe, Kylie, maybe. Kusina. Harang. Ayan. Kusina, Miguel Lab, shout out, lalabs. Papasok ka pa lang sa work. Ayan. Ken's TV 22, Miguel Lab, shout out. Tom Shark. Tom Shark. Thank you sa patamsak, mga lalabs. Ken's TV 22 and Kusina ni Maels. Lalabs, projectionist, Miguel Lab, shout out. Projectionist, ayan. Bakas lang, balik agad. Ayan, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Kylie lalabs. Ayan, everyone, thank you so much. Everyone, thank you. Sana makapag-LS din ng maaga, hehehe. Kasi nga wala akong work, kusina, dito lang ako. Kaya I have time my YouTube channel. I have a lot of times. Ayan. Ayan, hi everyone from J-Dog. J-Dog, big love shout out. J-Dog in the house. Ayan, thank you so much. Yan mga lalas, kung gusto yung mag-connect kay Kylie, ayan, mag-go to channel na lang po kayo, Kylie Kripner. Are you gonna be back live later? Yes, after this one. Bicolana dating dikit, bakas na lang. Thank you so much, Big Projectionist, lalabs. Kung sino ni Miles, meron kang pasok, lalabs? Papasok ka pa lang? Ayan, Ernie Calvo, Miguel Lab, shout out po, Sir Ernie, Miguel Lab, shout out, Tamsak. Okay, I was just checking. Ayan. Yes, Kylie, later I will live again, same time, 5:30 AM Pinas times. Later after here, I will live again, second one. Kins TV 22, what happened? It's loading. Sir Ernie Calvo, Miguel Lab, shout out, Sir Ernie. Ernie Calvo, Miguel Lab, shout out. Miguel Lab, shout out. Yes, Kylie lalabs. Kylie Kripner on the pin, mga lalabs. Call, ayan. Ayan, 3 million in the house, Miguel Lab, shout out. Patusok po sa premiere, ayan. Sige po, Sir Ernie, pagkatapos ni Kylie. Mga 5 minutes, ayan. Ayan mga lalabs, dikitan natin nakapin, I said cool, ayan. Okay, Kylie, no problem, lalabs. Kylie Kripner on the pin, mga lalabs. Kung gusto yung dumikit sa kanya, mag-go to channel na lang. He doesn't know how to drop his own link. Ayan. That's what I tried to say. That's what I was trying to say. Yes, lalabs, no problem. Ayan. Yan mga lalabs. Maglablaban tayo. That's what I. Ernie Old Connect, Tamsak, from Projectionist. Ayan. Yan mga lalabs, si Kylie po mag-go to channel na lang. Punta tayo kay Ernie Calvo. Ayan, punta muna tayo mga lalabs sa may premiere. Ayan, Sir Ernie Calvo, nakalabitin. Tamsakan natin mga lalabs, Ernie Calvo. Ayan, Bicula ng Oragon. Tamsakan natin mga lalabs yung nakapin sa kanyang premiere mga lalabs. Ernie Calvo on the pin. Kapitbahay Marites. Kapitbahay Maglab shout out lalabs. Ayan. Yan si kapitbahay. Lablabin natin yan mga lalabs. Lablabin natin ang ating kapitbahay. Ayan na si kapitbahay na Marites. Ayan. Haha, ayan. Tawa tuloy siya. Tamsak dan Sir Ernie, ayan. I connected to the link, ayan Sir Ernie. Dan po sa'yo si Kylie. Diyan ka lang muna host ha, pahinga lang ako saglit. Bakit ka tapos walang ba magilis? Bakit pagod ka? Kapitbahay, anong ginawa mo ha? Meron kang ginawang kababalaghan. Bicula na Tamsak. Salamat Sir Ernie po. Salamat. Salamat po everyone. Thank you. Ayan, 3 million in the house. What time is it for you now, host? Now is 8:55 p.m. 8:55 p.m. lalabs. UAE time. It almost 1 p.m. there. Okay. Kino Tamsak. Ayan, Sir Ernie Calvo. Salamat sa iyong patamsak po. Nablabin natin nakapin mga lalabs. Somebody say I'm very supportive. Ayan. You're very supportive, Kylie. Ayan. Kylie is very supportive boy. Ayan. John Ray Remix. Maria Lucin E-Vlogs. Hola amiga. Ayan. Maria Lucin, Miguel Love, shout out. Lalabs, Miguel Love, shout out. Lablabin po natin yung nakapin sa kanyang premiere mga lalabs. Ernie Calvo. Hindi naman siya premiere, ano siya? Live. Ayan, 8.78k Anthony Benitez from Projectionist. Bumuski Bumos from Maria Lucin. Ayan. Bumuski Bumos, Miguel Love, shout out. Buhay ni Matit, Miguel Love, shout out po madam. Buhay ni Matit, Miguel Love, shout out. Host, ayan, Miguel Love, shout out po madam. Medyo maaga si host ngayon. 4 po ang premier ko po, pwede po bababa. Sige, baba mo lang po, ayan. Patamsak naman po. Ayan. Hihi, ayan. Mga lalabs, wait lang, inom lang ako ng tubig. I'm gonna just drink water. 1 minute. Heart is gone. Tararan. Pirit ng piririt. Ayan. Buhay ni Matet, Miguel Love, shout out. Ayan. Kylie Kripner, ayan. Lablabin natin si Buhay ni Matet mga lalab sa kanyang premiere. Ayan. Tadadadadadadan, tadadadadadadan, tadadan. Salamat host, walang anuman po madam. Baby mo yan, yung kasama mo. Masyala, ang cute naman ay. Ayan. Ayan. Milikit ko to sa'yo isa. Kachu-kachupoy, kachupoy. Ayan. Lalabs, Arcons, Miguel Love, shout out. Ayan. Lalabas, Miguel Love, shout out. Ayan, connected to the link. Arcons, Tamsak Dan, salamat po sa patamsak lalabs. Ayan, salamat. Dinata to si Arcons natutulog ah. Salamat sa pagsugod kanina. Walang anuman po. Ayan. Kasi nag-pop up ka kanina. Habang ako'y nakahiga, biglang nag-pop up yung premiere mo kaya aking pinuntahan. Ayan. Hello sweet host, Shirley Rodriguez, Miguelab shout out po. Shirley Rodriguez, Miguelab shout out. Shirley, ayan. How are you today? Today I am fine, lalabs. Ayan. Tamsakan natin po ang nakapin, lablabin, nakapin. Thank you so much. Thank you, lalabs. You're welcome po, Arcons Vlogs, lalabs. Ayan. Kay dami-dami mong tao kanina. Oy, ayan. Sana all. Na. Ayan, Foy no tofu. Foy no tofu? Okay. Nice to see you. Thank you, Shirley Rodriguez. Shirley Rodriguez is not a Filipino. I will check. Thank you so much, Shirley. More beautiful today. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you, lalabs. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you so much. Maria Lucine, lul. Love you, my friend. You love me, Kylie. Thank you. Ayan. Mga lalabs, tamsakan natin po ang nakapin. Tamsakan. Lablabin natin nakapin at tamsakan. Ayan. Miguelab shout out, Tito Bob Cooking Vlog, Miguelab shout out sa lahat from Tito Bob. Ayan. 3 million in the house, Miguelab shout out 3 million. I think Maria Lucine Vlogs is from Brazil too. Ah, yes. You are same language. I think you are same language, ha? Tamsak dan sa'yo, host from Tito Bob Cooking Vlog. Night na lalabs. Anyway, na dito tulog nami. Sige po, Arcons lalabs. Matulog ka na po. Good night and God bless you. Ayan. Sweet dreams. Sige po, matulog ka na. Salamat sa iyong patamsak. Night na lalabs. Ayan. Sige na po. Can you please get your people in your area? Connect me please. Inshallah, Kylie. My area, nobody. Ayan. If they have YouTube channel, I will connect with them as well. Ayan. From Kylie Krapner. Shirley, nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin. Mga lalab, give thumbs up on the pin. Matit, buhay ni Matit sa Amerika. Ayan. Shirley, give thumbs up on the pin, lalabs. Shirley Rodriguez, ayan. Tito Bob Cooking Vlog, nagbaba po ng kanyang bahay. Tito Bob. Yes, thank you so much, lalabs. Thank you. Okay, from Shirley Rodriguez. Ayan, 6 million in the house. Mega love shout out. Salamat, host. Ayun lang ano man, lalaz. Buhay ni Matit sa Amerika. Ang bilis ng bahay mo, mataas na. Ayun, nasa 600 ka na. Ayan, Lee Sungsun, mega love shout out. Korean my friend, anong sayo? Ay, anong sayo? Korean my friend, mega love shout out. Ayan, 7 million in the house, mega love shout out. Everyone, thank you so much. Thank you. How are you guys doing in Brazil? Ayan. They are working there, Kylie. In Brazil, they are living there. Masbate, Masbate. Ayan. Jar Secret mga lalabs. Ayan, Nightbot. They're dropping the link of Junior Secret mga lalabs. Ayan, pakunik naman mga lalabs sa aking mga member. Thank you so much. Masbate Remix. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Carly Kripner Vlogs doing great. Ayan, thank you. And you? Kylie Rodriguez say that Kylie Kripner Vlogs doing great. Ayan. And how about you, Kylie, from Shirley Rodriguez? Okay, I will be right back, host. Okay, guys, can you guys please connect me, please, and I connect with you, Lauren. Ayan. Of the nights. Tantadan. Be my lady of the night. Ayan, 3 million in the house. Mega love shout out mga lalabs. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. Tayo'y sumayaw, sumayaw. Igalaw ang katawan. Sumayaw, sumayaw. Igalaw, igalaw. Ayan. Sumayaw, sumayaw. Igalaw ng igalaw. Sumayaw ng sumayaw. Igalaw ng igalaw. Ayan. Ayan, 3 million in the house. Mga love shoutout mga lalabs. Dan na po ba kayong magtamsak sa nakapin? Maria Lucin Lalas, Maria Lucin E-Vlogs. Ayan. I'll connect you guys. We're going to connect me. I'll be back in a minute. Ayan. Okay, host, I love you guys. Let's connect tomorrow. Ayan. Anadan. Be my lady the nights. Sumayaw ng sumayaw. Ayan. Sumayaw, sumayaw. Sumayaw, sumayaw. Ayan. Masbate, Masbate. Ayan. Maria Lucin Lalabs, thank you so much. Ayan. Of the night. Bulwari TV, mega love shout out. How are you, madam? Ayan, alhamdulillah, I am good. Ayan. Thank you so much, Bulwari TV, mega love shout out. Brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Welcome you, madam, from Bulwari TV. Ayan. Thank you so much, Bulwari.
DJ Rams, Idol. It goes a little something like this.
Maria Lucine, thank you so much, lalabs. Forever. Ayan, Bulwari TV, nagbaba po ng kanyang bahay, mga lalabs. Lablabin natin si Bulwari TV. Brother Louie, Louie, Louie. Oh, mashallah, Bulwari TV, you have a big mansion. 4.13K. Ayan.
DJ Rams, Idol.
I love your YouTube channel, host. Thank you so much, lalabs. Your YouTube channel is called, ayan. Everybody please connect. Thank you, ayan.
Lanao del Norte, Mix Club.
Harang ho, salamat po sa paharang, Tito Bob. Tito Bob Cooking Vlog. Ayan po, nagbaba ng mic ko, Tito Bob. Lablabin po natin si Tito Bob. Salamat po sa paharang. Higado adobo, ayan, sarap. Bahala na kayo. Yan, sarap naman ito, Tito Bob. The pork. Bomoki Bomos from Maria Lucine.
DJ Edrin on the mix. Do it.
Ano pala sa Pinas, ano ba yun? Biyernes Santo.
Our street, many sound system.
Ayan, salamat sa pagpinos. Walang anuman po. Maria Lucine. Ayan. Lalabs, Maria Lucine. Ayan, Queen and Ari, USA TV, Miguelab shoutout, Tamsak host, ayan. Salamat po sa paharang, Queen and Ari, USA TV. Salamat po sa paharang, madam, thank you. Miguelab shoutout, salamat po. Queen and Ari, ayan, nagbaba ng bahay. 700 pa lang pala, ayan. OTW sa nakapin from Queen and Ari USA, ayan. Napares kayo na sa US. Sana all, ayan. Ayan, buhay ni Matit, Queen and Ari OTW sa bahay mo. Like a virgin. Point Place Hotel, Orlando, Florida. Ayan.
DJ Edwin on the mix. Do it. Here we go again.
Tito Bob, Kuya Bob, Tito Bob, nandito ka pa ba, Tito Bob? Tito Bob. Tito Bob Cooking Vlog, where are you?
This is the mix of Carles Mix Club DJs. This is Team Destruction. Basta Team Destruction, campeón. This is the mix of DJ Romar, the best.
Queen in Ari USA, ayan, nagbaba ng bahay.
This is Team Destruction, powered by Carles Mix Club DJs. Kailas Mix Club DJs. This is Team Destruction. Basta Team Destruction Kampiyon. This is the mix of DJ Romar, the best. This is Team Destruction, powered by Kailas Mix Club DJs. This is the mix of
Yan po yung Kensari USA TV. Ayan. Queen in R USA. Dan na po sa'yo si Maria Lucin. Ayan. Balikan na lang po.
DJ Rams, the best.
Maria Lucin Lalabs. Taytay Channel Miguel Love shoutout. Taytay Channel. Ayan. Bumos ki bumos from Maria Lucin Vlogs.
DJ Rams, the best.
Taytay Channel. Ayan, nagbaba po ng bahay. Maria Lucin.
Lanao del Norte Mix Club.
Maria Lucin, let's dance. Ayan. Oh, wow, wow.
DJ Rams, the best.
Check this out.
Wow, wow. Salamat po sa pagpin. Walang anuman po, Tito Bob. Ayan. Masbate. Ayan. And 4 million in downs, Miguel Love, shoutout everyone. Nagdidikit lang po ako dito sa baba. Ayan, sige lang, Tito Bob. Ayan. Maria Lucine, La Loves. Ayan. Laneski Vlog. Ayan, binababa ni Nightboot mga La Loves, yung aking member. Tay Dan. Ayan, from Tito Bob Cooking Vlog. Tay Dan. Tay Channel, pasoklan lang po si Tito Bob La Loves. Ano pala ngayon sa Pinas? Biyernes Santo, di ba? Kim Kat PH, Miguel Love, shout out. Kim Kat. Ayan. Ayan si Kim Kat po, nagbaba ng bahay. Kim Kat. Si Jack Sikat pala to. Baby pa yung bahay. Wow, wow, wow. DJ John Ray, ayan. DJ John Ray. La 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 la. Natin ang music. Pinilit kong Kim Kat. La Loves Kim Kat. Kim Kat, ayan, nagbawa ng bahay si Kim Kat mga La Loves.
Hindi ka ba
Lento sa pag-ibig mo.
Hindi ka ba naging masaya sa pinakita ko? Hindi pa ba sapat kaya pinaikot mo? Pakitang tao lang ba ang lahat ng pangako mo? Sabihin mo ano ba ang pagkukulang ko? Bakit sa dinami-dami ako pa ang napili mo? Lokohin, saktan, biglang iwan. Pagtapos mong makuha ang lahat pababayaan. Bakit ka ganyan? Ganyan ba kadali sa'yong saktan ako? Naging parte ba talaga ako dyan sa puso mo? Minahal mo ba ako? Gusto ko lang malaman. Gusto kong malinawan. Mahal mo ba ako? Kaya kailangan mo ako. O kailangan mo ako. Kaya mahal mo ako. Sige, ako'y ginamit mo lang.
Maman ako minahal.
Sana nung una pa lang
Nabi mo.
pagmamahal ko sa'yo, pinalalim mo pa. Ako'y ginamit mo lang. Di mo naman minahal. Sinayang mo lang ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Sana hindi na lang ikaw ang pinili ko. Alam ko na ang lahat. Hindi ka naging tapat. Sana sinabi mo para nakasabay ako sa laro na gusto mo. Ginamit mo lang
Ako.
lahat ibinigay ko. Ang isusukli mo lang biguin, baliktarin, tapos pagtatawanan. Ganyan ba tayo nang nagsimula? Kang manligaw, hindi ba't buo ang tiwala na aking binigay? Ako agad ay bumigay sa matamis mong salita. Nung kailangan mo ako at ng karamay, lagi lang akong nasa tabi mo at handang dumamay. Nung ikaw na ang kailangan, di ko to inaasahan. Naiiwan mo ako sa'kin, wala ka ako'y ginamit
Mo lang.
di mo na
Man minahal.
sana nung una pa lang
Nabi mo.
pagmamahal ko sa'yo, pinalalim mo pa. Ako'y ginamit mo lang. Di mo naman minahal. Sinayang mo lang ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Sana hindi na lang ikaw ang pinili. Ako'y ginamit mo lang. Di mo naman
Man minahal.
sana nung una pa lang
Sinabi mo.
pagmamahal ko sa'yo, pinalalim mo pa. Ako'y ginamit
Namit mo lang.
di mo
Naman minahal.
sinayang mo lang ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Sana hindi na lang ikaw ang pinili ko.
Dan na dan. Yun na ninanais ko. Na ito. Kung mahihibang. Kayang sumabay. Harang host, big love shoutout ko Tito Bob. Salamat sa paharang. Ayan. Walang ganong tao ngayon kasi Biyernes Santo pala sa Pilipinas, no? Ano yung mga tao, mumuni-muni. Tito Bob Cooking Vlog, ayan. Jaxicat 125 pasukli na lang from projectionist. Ayan. Maria Lucin. $5 million big love shoutout. Buta para Sober. Ayan. From Maria Lucin Lalabs. $1.30K sa adobo mo, Tito Babdan. Kalimbang from Predictionist. Ayan. Maria Lucin Lalabs. Bomos ki Bomos. Ayan from Maria Lucin. dapat kong gawin? Mahalin.
DJ RT Remix.
L3, may love shout out. Lovely hostess. Ayan. L3, may love shout out. How are you, L3? Workout? L3, may love shout out, lalabs.
This is the mix of DJ Saint Mark.
Cooking, ayan. Okay ka, okay. Maria Lucine. I'm thinking also that I will cook also, ayan. I'm thinking what I will eat. Nang syota mo. L3 Old Correct Connect. Ayan, from Projectionist. Ayan, salamat lalabs. Projectionist lalabs. Nelly Lowy, thumbs up. Big love shout out, Nelly. Nelly Lowy. Ayan, thumbs up. Salamat po sa patamsak, Nelly lalabs. Mega love shout out. Ayan. Bumos kay bumos from Maria Lucine. Ayan. Ang sikreto pa.
This is the mix of DJ St. Mark.
DJ Boom Boom. Ayan. Miguel Love shout out. 5 million in the house. Miguel Love shout out.
Powered by DJ Boom exclusive.
Power, beats, love, beats, love.
Ago. Sa gabi't araw, nais ko sa tuwin ay natatanaw. Tunay kang nag-iisa. Ay, nakwa.
Powered by DJ Boom exclusive.
Rawan mo. Sa gabi't araw, sa tuwin ay natatanaw.
exclusive.
Bit araw.
Wow! Kay DJ Boom Boom pala yan. Pa-share it naman.
DJ Ludsky, the best. Basta team Boyog, Gapauyog.
Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yun ba? Yun mga na lang, mamaya na lang uli ako muna magkasaing. Maya na lang po uli si later, mga lalabs later. Kay Bathala.